Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Mango Tango Pearl 2011 Dodge Caliber Mainstreet, stock number A7075. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim. Get a close-up on the tread of the tires. You do have Forterra tires. Inside, there's a black cloth upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Caliber. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Inside of the trunk is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, and you do have a cargo cover included. And the reason that I'm showing you this Dodge today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. Back behind the steering wheel, you've got cruise control. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You've got capabilities here for Sirius satellite radio, and there is an auxiliary port. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is equipped with traction control. You have a 6-speed continuously variable transmission with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And in highway mileage, that's going to get you 27 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Caliber or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.